Andrew Tate, the kickboxer, entrepreneur, media personality, or
controversial figure,
the most searched personality in the world in 2022, known for his controversial opinions that not only made him a social media star, but caused him a ban from all the platforms. He has built a massive social media fan base with thousands of people reposting his videos on Instagram, YouTube, and mostly TikTok. But does this all come from the sudden? Is Andrew a marketing genius who succeeded in marketing his personal brand, or an absolute scammer? Andrew Tate's rise to fame began in 2016, when he appeared as a guest on the Big Brother show and was criticized for his racist and homophobic comments and opinions. He then began to appear on many podcasts to defend or share his thoughts on a variety of topics such as rape, relationships, and success. But it was until 2021 and 2022 that TikTok started to be bombarded with his videos. And that was because of affiliate marketing. In 2021, Andrew Tate founded an academy called Hustlers University to teach people to make passive income by learning different skills like cryptocurrency trading, copywriting, dropshipping, and more. And this was the hidden secret of his explosion. Andrew created an affiliate program for his academy, in which students refer other students to the academy and receive a percentage from the $49 monthly subscription fee. And that's where people began to post his videos on TikTok, in the hopes of getting viewers to sign up for the academy and earn commissions. And they bombarded TikTok with his videos. But was this, however, illegal? Big companies in the world have affiliate programs where you get a percentage by referring customers to their website. But Andrew's program functioned or was pyramid scheme. And for those who don't know what pyramid scheme is, it is a type of scam where people are encouraged to invest money by promising high returns or profits. The way it works is that the first people to join the scheme invest money, and then they refer more people, who in turn refer more people, and so on. Students join Andrew's academy not to learn, but to refer other people, which functioned nearly as a pyramid scheme. This made Andrew millions of dollars, but he then stopped the program after his ban from social media. Andrew was not the first to do this, as there are a lot of gurus who teach affiliate marketing, and in the course, they share and teach you how to market their course, and you get a commission from that. But, despite the fact that Andrew's fame was with the help of Hustlers University, no one can deny that Andrew Tate is a great speaker and motivator, regardless of his opinions. And with or without the Hustlers University, his videos would have received millions of views.